Oh my god!
Oh,
Woo! Brilliant. Paul Dixon in front. First time out in 15 months since breaking his kneecap, shattering his kneecap, which you can go back and look at that previous vlog. And yeah, what a good day for him to have his first ride back on. Just taking it real steady. Woo! That fan's making a right noise. Have you heard it? Can you hear it on? I don't know if microphone's picking it up or not. That fan's cracking me up when it comes on.
oh, horrible, isn't it?
Is it on a thermostat?
Keep reaching for my drink thing, you know, for my camel.
Why haven't you brought one? That's fairly steep. Never been ridden down before. Oh shit! Whoa. It was good, yeah. Whoa! That bloody boulder chased me down. Woo! Hell! His first hill climb in 15 months. Yes, lad. Which leg did you do?
Left.
And that was a big left dab.
Yeah.
What's in there? Letterbox. You've got mail.
Get skimmed. Bending machine.
Oh my god! We've made it to the top, but that was mental. Get a bit closer for GoPro. Yes, kid! Oh! Nice pivot. Pivot!
That fan's annoying.
I know.
Oh,
I know. Oh, the grip is phenomenal. We've struggled on that so much in winter before. What's this I'm taking with me? Yo. Oh, dreams. Dixon's back, look at him go. Not for long, because he's got to go have another operation on that knee. Get all the metal work out, I think. Can you do this bit feet up though? You have to ride up the bank a bit there, look. You can keep your feet on pegs. Uh-oh. I ain't got my feet on pegs now, like. No one wants to wash the bikes because it's so dry. We're all trying to avoid the dirt. Really?
Didn't want to stop halfway down.
You need a lot of run up. Oh!
No.
You get it from there. Okay. This is a good trail. Oh no, we got dirty. Yes! Oh, come on, sick. Super easy in this weather. Yes, kid. Go on, keep it going. Oh, that had gone. Super grippy. Pin it. Woo. Can't believe you can just set off like that. You! Get it wound on! That's it, lads, send it! Yes! He's got one. Yes, lads! That's quite... Yeah, what you got there. It's challenging, isn't it? Because we can't start from the bottom. The bike's running good. Real good. And you get a carburetted bike and oh God, that hurt. When you get a carburetted bike just in that window, it feels good. Trails on a nice day, dry. Oh, wonderful. KTM sounding quite nice. So dry, never seen it like this. We're in. Some pipe dingers in here. This is a bit that was blocked. Oh yes! Straight through. What a jungle to be in. Look at the colours. Ooh, sketchy. There's a top line. Oh, that doesn't look good for your motorcycle parts. At all. Oh no, we have got dirty. We found a swamp. Look at this place, untouched for millions of years. And then the KTM and the Beta have descended on it. Well, we're all the way to bottom, so whether or not we can get out. Oh no. Don't know why I'm worried about my bike getting dirty. It's a freaking dirt bike, man. I'm just so lazy trying to not wash it. Oh yes. Where's he going? Got to get up there, look. Steeper than it looks, and it's loose. Oh my god. Oh, I only just made it. Oh, it was loose, wasn't it? This is bloody steep, lad. Let me tell you that now. I'm bloody hanging off it. Darting through these trails. Oh, maliciously overgrown is that. The logs are a lot flatter these days. Still not quicker by the looks of it though. Oh hell. Oh! Oh! An error's been made here. Turn the bike off. My foot is stuck under it. Let me just lift it from there though. Yeah. Man hit a stump. Standard. Don't know where I am either. Well, I'm nowhere, am I? Look. Where's he gone? Something's happened, hasn't it? Just looks like he's had a hell of a load of bikes come up there ragging it about. I like it in here. There's worse places to be on a Sunday, or a Saturday, or a Monday. Tuesdays and Wednesdays got some good places to be, but you know, Thursday's that bad. Go on, lad. Everything's just riding so easy now. Oh my god! That's a proper Robert bars. Oh man, I wish I should have been behind you. That would have been a well good one. Absolutely face down in mud. Look at this climb now. Oh no. Look for a different line, stay out of his way. Oh, oh my god! Quick! Look at, oh no! Woo! Little kick. Bet my battery's going to run out. See if we can film him more. If he doesn't stop, we might get it. Whoa, the dust! Steepage, low midge, lower, oh, turnage. Brilliant. Oh my god. He's absolutely covered me. Well, that was a good little tootle about. Back in the UK after riding in Portugal. Dixon's been back out with us for the first time in a long time. Just testing his knee. Yeah. What more can I say? Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bosh.